This is the first video which I'm making after we hit 100,000 subscribers on the channel, and I'm recording this intro for like 25th time because I'm having so much trouble putting everything I want into words. So I decided to not do that. Instead, I'll just say thank you. I'll try to not be emotional and over dramatic. I just want you to know that I'm really appreciative of all all of your support. As you can see, it's really hard. But yeah, thank you guys. It really means the world to me. And I'm going to continue making some great videos for you. Hopefully you will stay for the journey ahead. With that being said, I'm excited to announce that today's video is sponsored by Artlist and Motion Array. Special thanks to these two companies for allowing me to let you know a little bit more about their services and how they can help you elevate your videos to the next level. Let's take a look at this Mavic 3 video. This is a nice product shot recorded on my Sony a7 III, and then we have some drone shots which are coming straight out of the SD card. There is nothing being done to them. They are just really washed out because they have been recorded in the lock. As you can see, the video looks very normal. I would say boring. Why? Because we have done absolutely nothing to make it interesting. And let me show you this same video with a little bit of work being done to it by using some ideas and inspiration from the two tools which I'm going to talk about in today's video. If you're a creator yourself, regardless whether you're shooting with a drone, a camera, a GoPro, or even with your phone, you know how important it is to pick the right track for your video. And here's where Artlist comes into play. They're one of the biggest music platforms for royalty-free music and sound effects, and I've been using them for about a year and a half, I believe, and have been very solid choice for me to find a royalty-free music which will not get me into trouble on YouTube, but at the same time very high quality music which kind of differentiates itself from the rest of the stock music that you can find online. You have a huge library of songs which you can filter by mood, by video theme, by genre, or by instrument. And one of my favorite things to do when I'm planning a video is to browse this huge catalog of new music and just see which music is going to fit for what project, and then I can just download it straight away and start planning my video around that song. Once you have an active subscription and you download a song, for example, it's licensed to be used forever, which is something that I definitely appreciate. If you're a creator and you're only looking for copyright-free music for your own social media platforms, you can sign up for the personal plan, which is $9.99 per month if you pay annually, or $14.99 if you pay monthly. However, if you're working with a lot of clients and you want to be able to deliver those projects with some royalty-free music from Artlist, you can sign up for the unlimited plan, which is $16.60 per month when billed annually. And I think this is a great option for all creators who are working with some companies, some clients outside of their social media platforms, and they need royalty-free music for these projects. This license covers unlimited social platforms, ads, client work, commercial work, podcasts, website, all sorts of online platforms, and broadcasts, and even TV. If you decide you want to sign up for Artlist, make sure you check the link in the description, because by using this link, you will have 2 additional months being added on top of your subscription. Enjoy. On the other hand, we have Motion Array, which is a huge marketplace for video making assets, and I've yet to explore it completely, but for the past couple of weeks I've been trying out different transitions, different templates, different titles, and there are so many things to explore on this platform. Regardless whether you're using After Effects or Premiere or Final Cut Pro, you will have so many things to choose from. If you're looking for a cool way to spice up the look of your videos, you can use Motion Array to download some new intro templates or some new transitions, some new titles, or some templates that you can use regardless whether you use After Effects or Premiere or Final Cut Pro. And I've been enjoying browsing through this huge catalog and looking through things that I might use right now or later down the line, because when you sign up you can download everything you want and you can use it later. Even if it's 1 year from now and your license is already over, you can still use it. For example, here are some light leak transitions which I recently downloaded because I think they're very classy. They're not very attention grabbing, but at the same time, they look very, very cool. There are so many other ones that you can download, of course. It's just a matter of your taste and what you want to use in your videos. But for me, these are something that caught my attention. So here are some other assets which you can find useful here when you select, for example, Final Cut Pro 10. You can see some titles, some logos, some transitions, backgrounds, overlays, slideshows, intros, even LUTs and effects. I really like these simple infographic overlays, for example, which are really cool if you want to illustrate some data, some information about a certain object. Maybe when I'm doing some sort of product review, I can use some of these to emphasize on that specific piece of information. I think it's really cool. And just like on Artlist, buying one license covers everything. Advertising, YouTube, sports programming, social media marketing, broadcast television, live events, feature films, and more. The price of the license is $29.99 per month or $250 per year. So as you can see, these two platforms are incredibly powerful. They give you so much freedom in your creative choices, and they give you a lot of possibilities where you can go with your edit. If you think these platforms sound like something you would like to try, please use the links below, give them a try, let me know what you think about them, and I'm looking forward to hearing back from you. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Take care everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.